Okay, what color is this, Roby?
Yellow.
Good job. What color is this?
Orange.
Okay, good job. What color is this? Good job. Okay, what is this? What is this? It's a cat. Good job. What is this?
See.
Good job.
Look this.
What is this?
Oh, I get it. I just got my favorite part.
Oh, you got your favorite cards. Okay, tell me what is this?
Strawberry.
Good job. What is this?
I'll see you. Look.
You
Look.
tell me this?
Look at what's inside.
Okay, you tell me what is this?
Oh. Rainbow color.
Wow, which is the rainbow color? Yeah, it's a rainbow color. Okay, now you tell me what is this?
Doors.
Okay. Okay. What is this? What is this, Roby?
Octopus.
Good job. Okay. What is this? Roby, what is this? It's going to bite you. What is this?
Wow.
Good job. What is this?
Watermelon.
Hey, Roby, you like it. What is this?
Ice cream.
Good job. What is this?
Yo-yo.
Good job. What is here? What is this? Astronaut. Good job. Okay. Oh, he goes in the rocket. Good job. Okay, what is this? Okay, good job. Okay, now you tell me. You turn this. Okay, what is this? Can you tell? Wow, bulldozer. That's right. Okay, what is this? Good job. And what is this? Forklift? Yes. What is this? Good job. Good job, Roby. I'm so proud of you. Okay. Excavator. Hey, dirt. See you later. I'm an excavator. Okay. Now you tell me what she's doing here. Good job. What she's doing here. Good job. What she's doing.
Cooking.
Good job. What she's doing.
What baby doing?
Yeah, what the baby is doing.
Falling.
Good job. What this baby is doing.
Falling.
Wow, I'm so proud of you. Wow. And now, what this animal is? Can you tell me what animal is this? It's a, okay, what animal is this?
Snake.
Good job. Then we'll come back. What is this?
Whoa.
Oh, okay, you answered this. You want to answer this? Jeep, that's right.
Car.
Good job. And what is this?
Bus.
Good job. And what is this? Can you tell me what is this?
Oh.
Can you come up now?
Oh.
What happened?
Some guys fell down.
Some cards fell down. Okay, I'll pick it up. Okay, come and tell me what is this, Roby? Oh my God, I pick it up. Come here. Okay, now you tell me. What is this?
Rabbit.
Okay, what is this?
Plane.
Okay, what is this, Roby?
Oh. Something fell down.
Again, it fell down. Oh, I have something new here. Something is flying here, Roby, in the sky. Come here. Come fast. What is this?
Kite.
Good job. I'm so proud of you. What is this?
Zebra.
Good job.
Zebra is like
Oh, okay. And can you tell some fruits now? Come here. Come up here, baby. Wow, I saw some new fruit here. It's so beautiful fruit. Come here. Come here, baby. What is this fruit? Can you tell me what is this fruit? Have you seen this fruit?
Oh, I did this.
Okay, come up now.
Look at all the colors.
Okay, what is this?
Green.
Okay. And hey, what is this?
What is that?
Good job. And what is this?
Mommy.
Good job.
Jump.
Oh, rabbit jumps. That's right. Oh, can you tell me some numbers? Can you find some numbers, Roby? Okay, can you tell what letter is this? Roby, can you tell what letter is this, baby? Huh?
This is happy machine. That's a look at see.
That is a lowercase c and this is capital C. I'm so proud of you.
C and small C.
Big C and small c. Okay, what is this?
Look at this. Big S. Small S.
Small z, lowercase z. Okay, what is this? What is this, Roby? Can you tell me what number is here?
Oh. Oh. Look, something fell down.
It's okay, come up now. Can you tell me what number is this, baby?
3.
Good job. And
Juice.
hey, oh yeah, that's a juice. That's right. Okay, what is this, Roby? Can you? Good job. And what else you have not told any of it? Okay, can you tell me some shapes now? What shape is this?
That's rectangle.
Super, it's a triangle. And wait, I'll show you some more shapes you like, okay? What shape is this?
Hot.
Good job. And what shape is this?
Square.
Good job. And what shape is this?
Star.
Good job. Wow, I'm so proud of you. What shape is this?
Oval.
I think, is it a oval? Can you look it again?
Yeah.
No, what is this?
Circle.
Circle. Good job. And what else you have to say now? Oh, what is this fruit? Can you tell me?
Banana.
Good job.
Oh,
And wow, what animal is this?
Lion.
Wow. Okay. Can you find? Oh. Okay. Can you find what is written here, Roby? Oh. Okay. And what is here? Okay. Come here, baby. Up. Come up, baby. Come up, baby. What is this? What is here? This? Hey, you know this. Come on, baby. Come up. Okay, I have something new for you. Wow. So funny. What is this? Tortoise. And what is this?
Orange.
Yay. I have something funny. Something funny coming here. What is this? It's so funny.
Duck.
Wow. Okay. And what is this? It's so funny animal.
Rat.
Rat. Good job. Okay. Okay. And what else you know? Let's find something new for you. Okay. Now.
Eye.
Eyes. Show me. Yes. That is eyes. That's a good job. Can you show me? Yes. Okay. Okay. Can you guess what's written here?
Big.
Good job. Wow. You're so clever.
Duck.
What number is it?
Look on this.
Oh, okay. What?
Look on this.
Okay. Okay, Roby. Mommy is going to play another game with you. Okay. Can you find Roby? Wow. Can you find xylophone? Xylophone is missing. Can you find xylophone here? Check on xylophone here.
No.
I think I can find xylophone. Can you find?
Hey, that's next. Oh, what's inside?
Can you look out everywhere and find the xylophone,
What's
Roby?
inside?
What's inside? Okay, you know where is. Okay.
What's inside?
Okay, now tell me.
Oh.
What is this?
What's inside? Giant one.
See, you did not look out. Okay. Now can you find where is yo-yo? Can you give a yo-yo to mommy? Can you give yo-yo? Can you give yo-yo to mommy?
Oh, something hiding.
Okay, can you give yo-yo to
Something is hiding.
Okay, can you give yo-yo to mommy?
Something is hiding.
Okay, do you tell what is this here?
Yo-yo.
Then why are you not giving to mommy?
Something
Okay.
hiding.
Something sliding. Okay.
Something hiding.
Oh, you put everything down? Wow, what is this?
Rainbow.
Wow, what is this?
No.
Good job. What is this?
Green.
Good job.
Oh, I want to wonder what's inside. Huh?
You wonder what is inside?
No.
Okay. Can you tell me what number is this?
One.
Good job.
Is
And can you tell me what animal is this? Wow, that's right. Can you tell me what is this? Sir,
cut. I'm cutting.
you're cutting? Okay. You have to answer mommy, baby. Okay. Can you tell me what is this? It's a...
Bee.
Oh, that is a bee. Good job. Okay, what is this?
Monkey.
Wow. Can you tell me what is this? What is this? So funny. Okay, get up, baby. Get up, and come here. Come here, baby. What is this? It's so funny. What is this? Baby, come on. What is this?
Nine.
Huh? Good job.
If I can get a kite.
That's a kite. That's right. Oh, what this animal is doing? What is this?
Horse.
Good job. Okay, can you find watermelon?
It's jumping.
Okay, can you show watermelon?
Jumping.
Oh, it's dumping. Okay, can you show watermelon to mommy?
Jumping.
Okay, can you show watermelon to mommy? Or a frog? You did not find a watermelon or a frog. Show me. That's a frog. Okay, can you give me watermelon? Wow, can you give me umbrella? Oh, when it rains, you take the umbrella. Very good. Can you give me a butterfly? Butterfly flies in the sky. It's gonna fly. Wow. Can you give me a banana? I think that's a banana. Monkey's gonna eat. Find it. Good job. I'm so proud of you.
Ate it.
You ate the banana? Okay, what is this? It's a... What is this? It's a... What is this? It's a... You bite the banana. Okay, you give the banana to this animal. What animal is this? Pig. Okay, give it. Nom, 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 nom. Pig loves the banana. Another animal wants to eat your banana. Let's see what is that animal. What is this? Goat wants to eat a banana. Okay. Nom, 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 nom. And some more animal wants to eat the banana. Let's see who is that wants to eat the banana. Okay. This animal wants to eat the banana. What is that?
Wow.
Good job. Wow. No more. No more. You say no more. No more banana for the crab. Oh, okay. Oh my God. What is this?
Snake.
Wow.
Jumping.
Oh, it looks like it's jumping, but okay. Then what is this?
Lake.
Good job. I'm so proud of
The
you.
same.
Oh, leg is shame. Because it's not wearing. Why it's same pants? Yes. So it's same. That's right. Okay. What color is this? Good job. What color is? Oh, you cannot find because there's a lion. What color is this?
Better.
Good job. What color is?
Oh, what's hiding? What's hiding here?
What's hiding here? Let's see.
Whoa. Look, what's that here? Oh, look.
Wow, there are seasons hiding here.
Whoa.
Okay, what color is this?
Wow.
What color is this?
Wow.
Okay, tell me what color is this? It's your favorite color.
Pink.
Okay, what color is this? This is also your favorite color.
Green.
Okay, what color is this?
Orange.
Good job. I'm so proud of you. What color is this?
Yellow.
Wow. What color is this?
Red.
Wow, you're so great. And you said rainbow color and you said this and we finished. So colors finished. And
Oh.
okay, let's see some fruits. What fruit is this?
I got my favorite color.
Come on, Roby. Come on, answer mommy. Okay, what fruit is this?
My rainbow.
Show me the rainbow. Wow, it's a rainbow color. That's right, baby. And can we find something more for you? Okay, let's find something from this. Can you name something from this? Oh my god, there's a unicorn there. Unicorn. U for unicorn is there. Touch the unicorn. Hey. Okay, can you find what animal? Can you name anything? Okay.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Okay, can you find the kangaroo? It's jumping. It's going to bite you. Show me the kangaroo. Oh, wow, you are the kangaroo. I saw that. Okay, come show. Where's the kangaroo here, baby? Come here. Hi, kangaroo. Can you show me kangaroo? Go, baby. Go, baby. Can you show me kangaroo, baby? Go here. Go here. Show me kangaroo. Okay, show me something. Mommy has something here. What is this? It's a...
Oh, something draw.
Oh, somebody draws there. It's naughty job. Who did that? Okay, what is this? What is this?
No. That's so funny.
That's a funny nose. Okay. What number is this? 4. Okay, doggy. What is this?
Dookie.
What is this?
Tortoise.
Tortoise. Okay. And
4.
T for? T for? Tell me again. T for? Oh, let's play some game. T for?
Polar bear.
Hey, P for polar bear. I asked T for. I asked letter T. T for? Tortoise. Okay, good job.
That is a
Oh, it goes like that. Good job, Roby. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Roby.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank